game is too hard for me. 0 out of 10. Alright, so that was a game that I was working on for a little while, but I'm going to go back to the game that we're working on now. I'll finish that one eventually. I might have to make it a bit easier, because... man, oh man, it's hard. Like, it was hard when I was playing it. Hang on, I'm going to open a window. It's hot in here. I'll put on some music. Don't go anywhere. Don't leave. It'll be Least of the Painful. That's good music, right? I'm starting a few minutes early from when I was intending to. I said I was going to start at 7, or restart at 7, but... Okay, this is actually a bit too much. Yeah, that's better. Wait, hang on. I need to make sure that this is all... I'll raise your end. And lower it for both of us. Yeah, that looks good. That's perfectly fine. So what I need to do, and what we're going to do, is some funny little shenanigans with this character. Also, I forgot to complete my sentence when I was talking. The reason I'm starting early is because I'm going to end at 8. Alright, let's open up this texture in Krita. Eventually. So we need this one, and we also need the detail, which detail albedo. So yeah, let's just get some nice hard outlines for the eyes. I should learn how to do like the projection mapping. That would have been pretty good, I think. But yeah, the reason I'm only streaming till 8 is because I realized I don't want to stream until 9. And that's too much streaming. Let's see how that looks. I might need to fiddle with this outline, but that's why it's separate. Do I have 2 windows open? No. Yeah, I think I went too far when I did the whole face flattening thing. Because, like, now the side profile's kind of, like, not right. All this needs to be, like, there. You know what, this is, as an absolute baseline, this is good for now. I want to get to work on actually getting the character rigged, because that's more important. So let's just start on that. How should I do this? All of this will be directly parented to the head bone. This was actually a really good way of making hair. This solidify modifier and just having planes. That was really convenient. So I'm a smart little man for coming up with that. Okay. But enough patting myself on the back. We need to get rid of these. Let's make sure that works. It doesn't. Well. Didn't I? Huh? Oh. Well, one, these need to be parented. Keep offset. And I can just do that right now. So that's what, brow.l? Where's brow.r? Oh, it was literally the next one. Okay. So why didn't I literally just let's assign all this to head. Maybe, I guess I just have to do it separately, maybe? Yeah, I just have to do it separately for each one. Let's get a little bit of this stuff in there, in the eyebrows, so it'll be like, 0.25. .75. I think this one should actually be like 0.5. And then I think I need another one here. That'll just do like, I don't know. A little bit, just a little bit of deformation so that yeah, look at that, just a little bit of like movement in the face. Like, whoa. And then this, I'll just attach it to the neck. I'm not doing any genius level stuff here. And I was gonna change, before I get too far, I need to change this. So I had a sleeve, so it'll be sleeve 1.L, sleeve 2.L. That's my brilliant change from what it was for Jackie, which was just one sleeve bone. Now there's two. Symmetrize. I also need probably just a little bit of deformation for the bottom of the dress, because otherwise it's going to just follow her legs. Yeah, why not? So this will be dress dress front dot L. I should have like a ring deformer as well. And then there'll be a side, and then there'll be a back. I need to also create like a whole library of like the little custom bone shapes, because I always need those, but I don't. It's just a hassle to make them. And this will be dress. Look at that. And yeah, that's perfectly fine. Excuse me. Actually, this isn't even a deformation bone. What should it be attached to? I guess the hips, but that'll be a pain to deal with. No, it'll be parented to the root bone. So that way, it's controlled by the whole body movement rather than just her. So that way, the dress will like try to stay in the same spot, sort of. And for now, I'm gonna hide this. I'm just gonna deal with this part for now. This will be yeah, I found that I used to do like actually use weight painting, but it's just so imprecise. I'm much better with this. Actually, speaking of imprecise, I'm gonna make this a little less obviously a square. This needs to be, I'm pretty sure this bone here is back upper. Now if I can get this disaster. I think I should have had a... Oh well, I don't care. That's good enough. What I'm gonna do... is, let's figure out where the rest of her... This should all be... So her chest is just going to be like a concrete block attached to the rest of her body. Or parented to her upper back. Well, nah. It's not really going to be visible. It doesn't need, like... boob physics can go a long way to making a character feel like natural, I guess, or like without it, it can feel awkward to have a character who like is like concrete, or boobs that look like concrete. But it's not going to be that visible. I don't want to deal with it. This is a bad area. Let's just make all of this back upper. And this... Well, no, this is all back upper. This is... Also, her chest is really flat. Like, I don't know, pointed, I mean. Alright, let's just see what this looks like. Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking. I think... Let's just move her back slightly. Because I think her lumbar... Well, her proportions are slightly more realistic than Jackie's, so she needs a bit more room in her torso. But okay. That's all fine. And nothing fancy will do, like... I'll make this all lower back. This one... 0.5 lower back, 0.5 upper back. No, 0.5 lumbar. And then because the legs are right under here, I'm gonna have to start worrying about that with the, what is this? And like her legs are like all messed up. Like look at that. It needs to be at least like pretending to be cylindrical. Okay, where was I? Let's get her in a pose. See, that's looking right, you know? That's looking pretty good, I think. She's like bouncing on a surfboard or something. Yeah, that's, you know... What is that? What is that stuff? Yeah, I may need to actually break out the weight paints. Back upper. Okay, so it's because... of that. Let's get that back to the rest position. What am I trying to do? How is this not working? Let's get her collar. I think this will eventually be like more bicep related. Like it'll be mostly like actually. For now it'll be literally that. That. Let's get point, let's do like 0.2, 0.8. Then this will all be thumb 1. This may be like, well, okay, that's fine. This one's thumb 2. Wait. And then, well, no, this should all be thumb 2. Like, this shouldn't be thumb 1. Because this has to be thumb 3. Let's just see what that looks like. It leaves something to be desired, I think. I can't quite tell what, but it's missing a little something. Excuse me. Thumb 1 should not be there. But this all should otherwise be the hand. Then this will be index 1. Hang on, I need to... I'm just gonna make that match the other hand, and I gotta keep it symmetrical. One side, then 0.5 here. So, next to, no, fingers to assign. I think these should just be attached to the hand. Yeah, there we go. That way that isn't a horrible mess. That's a disaster, whatever that is. What is that? What is that? Back upper. Let's just attach that to the back. Lower back. I think that shouldn't be there. That should just be. That's fine. Whatever this is. Yeah. What is that? Yeah. Let's get all this. Much better. These horrible things, I think, would just be. Yeah, now we're getting. Now we're getting somewhere. And I think this will eventually be the collar. So this needs to just all calm down. Yeah, like that. Because now, like, the pose is, well, let's get her back to, like, a normal pose. Now let's see what happens if we go down. Okay, the rest of her body is still not attached to anything. But yeah, this looks, let's see. I'm not, well, that's pretty bad. Yeah, that's pretty bad. There's also a bunch of, like, candy cane or candy wrapper effects because of the, because I didn't do any effort in making that not the case. Wait, why is this parented to the back lower? Yeah, that should just be, like, tied like a cement block around her chest. No, let's get all of this out of here. Maybe this should be smoothed. I mean, I think this is also partly due to all that bad geometry in here. Someday, I just have to make a model with good geometry. But today is not that day. Let's get this a little spread out, maybe? Let's get a little more, like, here. Also, I really should have done more to improve the, this back. This seems really, really, like, heavy. Oh well. I think her actual, like, shoulders are slightly different. Like, the positioning of her bones should be different from Jackie. Also, there's like a grossness with her hands. Like you see that? And that needs to be down a little bit like that. And then for the rest of this as well. That's good enough. What was I doing? Right, I was gonna weight paint other things. Let's get this out of the way. So I can just like model or like weight these legs. So this is going to be the hips. I'm astonished at how little geometry I put in here. And I guess, yeah, that'll also be there. I eventually had to fix Jackie because originally I had her hips parented here. So if we go, I wish I could just like disable, like hide vertices. Okay, whatever. Let's just. That's not what I need. I need to do this. Or this, actually. So it's like she's balancing. She's lost her balance. Didn't I assign this? I'll just try assigning. So like this should all be the thigh. This needs to be half thigh, half calf. Then here. I think I didn't do her feet right. Well, no, I did her feet right. I need to move those bones though. Because this is all calf. And then, yeah, like with this. I need to like, yeah. She's very, I guess, flat-footed. See, now we have a decent start at this. At least with the, like, legs. And then I'll fix her feet. I guess this is ankle. And this can all be, this will all be just 0.5 and 0.5. And that'll all be 1. See, that's a foot. That's what feet look like. And I was, okay, so there's something going off there. Wowzers. Yeah, okay. Where did the knee go? Seriously, where's the knee? Hello? How? Okay, I'm in object mode. Then I press tab. I'm in edit mode. I'm right clicking on the bone. Her body is just Yeah, her proportions are just slightly off from Jackie's. I guess that's fine. Wow, that is a disaster. What did I even do? Like, how did this even happen? Okay, let's put her back in rest position. Let's get this editor out. Okay, so this one has to be like 95%. Yeah, so this one has to be like 0.95% calf. And then like, or 5%, yeah, 95% thigh, 5% calf. Why is the ankle here? What did I do? How did I do that? Yeah, okay, well that definitely explains why this was all screwed up. Oh wait, what the hell? I was literally, okay, okay. That is even worse. That is somehow even worse. Okay. Let's just weight paint this. Where is the ankle? Why is all of this still ankle? I set it to 0. I set it to 0. I explicitly set it to 0. Like, none of this should be ankle. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go to ankle. Assign, remove, 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 remove. It's not in there. It's not in there. Okay. Now we have some, now we're cooking with gas. Now I can go back to weight paint. And I'm gonna go to thigh.l. And I'm gonna slowly get all of this stuff to be there. So this way, these materials, or these, whatever. This is so that her body is attached to itself. And like, she also needs to be, like, this also needs to be partly influenced by her hips. So that way she's not completely, yeah, so that way, so now, we go here. Yeah, basically it's just now just her dress needs to be smoothed out with this. Can I auto-generate? Let's see if I can do envelope weights for part of a mesh. I wonder if I can use uBlock Origin to block this. Like, it literally doesn't let me. I'm gonna whine about this. Customize settings. Technically, it's illegal for them to make it harder to accept or reject all cookies than accept all cookies, but oh well. I guess it's Stack Overflow. So it's literally like, he literally asked a very specific question. Remove them from all vertex groups named like a bone and add them to this one group that has the same. What does that mean? So add them to the bone. So it's literally like manually paint the weights, idiot. Okay, whatever. Let's make this one hips 1. Let's make this one thigh 1. Make this one calf 1. This one will be ankle. No, this one will be calf 0.5, ankle 0.5. And then inside, we need to go up here. Let's see, this will be thigh 1. Why is it? That's really weird how it only shows this vertex weights when you have vertex like selected. That's super annoying. But okay, I'm complaining. This is going to be 0.75 hips. Did I set this to 0.75 ankle? That's ridiculous. Okay. 0.5. This will be 0.9. No, wait, no. This will just still be 1. Because this is 0.9. I don't think, well, it doesn't make sense for this to even be ever deformed by that. Yeah, no, because this is... Alright, whatever, let's just see how this looks. Good, we're getting somewhere. Vertex paint, or weight paint, or whatever. Like, this part needs to be... I guess part lumbar, part hips. Yeah, like, and then, you know, like that, and then, oh wait. Yeah, there's a lot of annoying things with this. One is that in Blender, it doesn't, when you mirror a mesh, it lets you edit the other side of things. So like, you can see that's getting all screwed up because I'm trying to edit it from this side. Let's see, where are hips? Like that. This is so difficult. It's so difficult to select this one vertex. Let's just make a big mess of this, and I'll try and figure out how to deal with it. Like, all this should be edited by that. This way her awful lumpy coat will be eventually good. I hate this part. I should, if this is definitely something where I would pay somebody else money to do this, because I don't want to do this. And I'm doing a terrible job at it, just such a bad job. Like, look at this disaster. Oh my god. Just need a little bit. Let's just make this like 0.25 or 0.2. And then set their strength to 1. That seems much better. And thigh. Like that. Then let's get it all the way fixed. Thighs have like no impact here. I'll have like, they'll have 0.5 impact here. And this way, okay. Now let's go to calf. I'll do like 0.9 here. And eventually I'll also have to add the right leg influence. And I'll have to add the deformation from the dress bones, because those are important. Why is it? Oh, it's because I'm at 0.9. Okay, so I'm gonna just set all of this to 1. Wait, I was gonna set this to 0.5. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Now I just need to do a similar thing here. So these are influenced 100% by the thighs. Huh? They should be in the right spot then. I don't get this. Like, what if they were influenced by the hips? And what if these were out of my way? What is this? Ankle. Oh, of course it's the ankle. Of course I accidentally Of course I sneezed or like I did that once by accident or that. And then it completely screwed up everything. Okay. So the ankle needs to be just removed. Yeah, there we go. And let's just fix this right now. Weight painting is so hard. There's just so much stuff that I have to worry about. And I have to worry about accidentally, oop, what did I edit there? Did I press something? Did I click it and then destroy it? Am I editing something behind something else there? Let's do a 0.9. Shift C. Tab. Control tab. Let's see what this looks like. Glitchy. And she also needs to be, her knees, well, these can come out. So if she was to sit down on her knees, how would that look? Where are her knees? Everyone's favorite game. Where are my knees? Okay, that's not good. Whatever that is. quite bad, actually. Yeah, what is that? What the hell is that? I think... Okay. I think I know what it is. I'll try to, Wait, paint. Let's see if I can rescue this. Ankle.L. The ankles are still broken. Why are they still broken? Okay, let's just remove this. Okay, there is no ankle. There is no ankle. Nothing is ankle. Nothing is influenced by the ankle anymore. That's it. The ankle is revoked. Has all privileges revoked. No parole. Do not pass go. How did the ankle get everywhere? Like, the calves are completely screwed up too. Like, everything is screwed up. How did I do this? How did I manage to, like, completely bungle it this bad? So, like, I gotta just remove the calf from all of this stuff. Because, okay. 0.5. I'm pretty sure I pressed Alt at the wrong, like, pixel like that. And that completely screwed it up. Okay, assign. Now this is gonna be 0.5 calf, half ankle. All of this. All of this is going to be just ankle. Like that. And then this will be... I did 0.5. I shouldn't do 0.5. Because I know it's going to screw up. It's going to screw up again. It has to be 1.9. Yeah, and there'll be like... Then here... Then here it'll be the opposite, so it'll be like 0.9 for toe, 0.1 for ankle. What is that? Why is that there? Why is this? Remove. Okay. Let's see how that does. Let's see if that has unbungled my mess. No, not even slightly. Not even a little bit. What is this? Like, what is this? Did I put the thigh somewhere wrong? What is this bone? What is... Hang on. Let's look at this vertex. That's not even the vertex that's like messed up. Why is the thigh influencing that? Like, the thigh should not be there. Why is the thigh there? Get it out of there. Get it out of there. Look at that. It's still there. It's still there. How is it that I can press this button, see this, exit out, exit out? Okay. I'm going insane. This is 0. This is 0. I've set it to 0 100,000 times. Why is it not 0? Why is it anything other than 0? How many... Okay, is there like vertices in there? Did I accidentally do something? Let's merge by distance. I haven't... Okay. What is here? What is here? So like, look at that. Remove. Like, why is that not working? Like, look at that. It says 0.52. That's different than 0. I set it to 0. That's what I set it to. And it didn't set it to 0. So do I have to type please? Do I have to like ask it politely to do things for me? Okay. What is that? Why is that not doing what I want? What is that being... It's the thigh. It's the thigh. It still has the influence from the thigh. What is that? Why does it have the thigh? Why is it being influenced by the thigh? I keep pressing remove. And the thigh is not... The thigh should be removed. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, after much ceremony, I have the ankles not busted. Now, for step 2, let's do the same thing for the thighs. I'm gonna try. I did the wrong thing. Why is that? Assign. Let's see how that looks. Not better. But honestly, honestly, that's a pretty complicated ask because I don't actually know how to like make that work. Maybe all 3 of these could be like 0.5. Maybe it could be like, you know, like 0.75. I did that wrong. Like 0.25. Then this one could be... Yeah, it's not really better. What is this? Actually, what is that? Let's try something drastic. That's worse. I think that's about as good as I'm gonna get that. Project mode. let's do like... Let's take this. Let's go to, her dress is clipping super bad. I'm like having a stroke. Okay, but this should be fine. Let's see what happens if I do this. Oh wait. Like that. It's not pretty, but it's good enough. And there's, well, I should just delete the inside of the dress. If I can get away with it. Wait, but this has, I just realized. This is gonna have the back face culling. Like that. And so I don't need to worry as much about, so Matt Mum, yeah. So that should reduce the visibility of like stuff poking through. What is that? That's still the dress, and it's just poking through. Even though... Okay, whatever. Well, you know what they say, you can't have too much of a good thing, and it's 8 p.m., so I'm gonna get out of here before I have a heart attack and just strangle this character. I mean, she's already dead. What am I gonna do, kill her twice? I will. But whatever. I'll get this done tomorrow, and then we'll do some other stuff. Probably the animations and more, like, writing for the game. Because I want to get into, actually, like, the main meat of the story. That should be exciting. See you then.